Hey everybody, this is Bill, and it's Wednesday, and wow, another good trade. We're really on a roll this week. Um, the HLB fired off at 1:15, a little earlier than it normally does. We waited until it completed. We drew the horizontal line at the high because it broke out to the upside. I'm just going over the rules here so everybody kind of gets it cemented in their head. All right, and then we entered into the trade 2 bars later at the breach of the low here, which was about 32.03-ish. I also wanted to use this as an opportunity to just go over the different stop loss techniques because depending on the one you choose has a pretty big impact on how much of the run you get, and it's really just a trade-off of risk. For this particular trade, I left my my stop a couple of ticks above the HLB line, and then just left it there. That's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is to trail the high or the low of the previous bar, depending on whether you're in a short or a long position. So as you can see in this one, if you had used that technique, you would have gotten stopped out here. Now you can always re-enter again on a pullback up. Like right here, you could have re-entered and you wouldn't have gotten stopped out until here again. And then you could have also then re-entered here, and then you probably would have caught most of this run all the way down to here. So you know that was what, 1, 2, 3 trades as opposed to one trade. So that's a different technique, the trailing high or low of the previous bar. The third technique I wanted to show you, which I kind of like it once you get into a trade and it looks like it's kind of going to trend going to it. These gray lines in the background here, it's just a standard Keltner channel. But what you could have done is, after it looked like it was trending pretty good for you, like maybe around here, you could start trailing that Keltner channel line, the high one if you're in a short and the low one if you're in a long, and then just stayed in the trade unless it breached this Keltner channel line. In any case, I did the technique where you just leave the stop above the HLB line. That kept me in the trade pretty much until we hit the hash mark here at 31.26, and it worked out to about 76 ticks, 78 ticks of profit. So that was a really nice trade this morning, and I just wanted to use it as an opportunity to go over the different stop loss techniques. Oh, and one thing I did want to correct yesterday, I did make an error, and thank you for one of my subscribers for pointing that out. When I calculated the profits, the number of ticks that I had made on the trade, I inadvertently, mostly because I was just tired, I grabbed the high instead of the low of this bar. So we really only made about 38 ticks of profit as opposed to 50. So I apologize for that. I'm suffering from old-timers disease. So that's it for trading for today. Really nice trade. So we've had 3 really good, strong days this week. We'll see if we can keep it up. Good luck with your trading, and I'll see you again tomorrow.